Hello everyone. Equity markets in India and across the globe have been volatile in the recent months on the back of geopolitical tensions, rate hikes by central banks, and concerns of the possibility of a US recession. On the bright side, we have started witnessing softening of commodity prices. In the second half of the current fiscal, if commodity prices continue to decline, some of these uncertainties could be behind us and the focus could then shift towards the trajectory of growth. Now, while domestic markets are not yet cheap on valuations at a headline level, stocks have corrected sharply. Of the BSE 500 companies, 60% of these companies are down more than 30% from their all-time highs. 25% are down more than 50% from their all-time highs. Hence, there are good quality high growth companies which are now trading at reasonable valuations, and this seems to offer long-term investment opportunities. Here at Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund, we have one such offering for you to consider, the Kotak Focused Equity Fund, an open-ended equity scheme investing in a maximum of 30 stocks in large cap, mid cap and small cap categories. The fund is constructed with 25 to 30 high growth, high quality stocks with sustainable, scalable business models which are trading at reasonable valuations. Here, we focus on long-term growth over short-term tactical opportunities. The fund focuses on bottom-up approach to stock picking with a top-down thematic overlay to identify key sectors. We seek to leverage on our research capabilities and also uses our in-house BMV framework for stock picking, which is business, management and valuations. At a stock selection level, we seek to distill gold from ore. Out of the 5,000 listed companies in the domestic space, our research team covers around 435 stocks, which is 86% of India's market cap. Now, while in a normal diversified portfolio, we hold 50 to 70 stocks, here we will drill down further and identify 25 to 30 key stock ideas for the fund. The stock selection process takes into consideration business sustainability, corporate governance, capital allocation, management capability and their execution track record. The fund focuses on businesses where return on capital employed is more than the cost of capital, companies which have low leverage, strong cash flows and which trade at reasonable valuations. Some of the key themes which we are focusing on now include financialization of savings, capex recovery cycle, consumer leverage, real estate and home building, and the China Plus One opportunity. With respect to market capitalization, over the period from April 2021 to June 2022, 60 to 70% of the fund has been allocated to the large cap category and the rest in mid and small caps. In the mid and small cap space, the fund seeks to pick market leaders in their respective subsectors and segments and is mindful of liquidity risks. Now, in a concentrated portfolio, risk management is the key and hence constant monitoring is the backbone of this fund. The fund can maintain cash for liquidity needs and portfolio modification purposes. The optimum weight at a stock level is maintained in the portfolio based on the risk-reward ratio and liquidity. Now, as the fund completes 3 years since inception, we look forward to your continued support. It has been your confidence and your support which has encouraged us to perform each day with greater dedication. Happy investing. Thank you very much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.